good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The purpose for this video is to provide outlook for tomorrow. We would be analyzing Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing the index spot on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, that is 22nd June. Apart from the index, we would also be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So the max pain level has shifted to 15,650 from 15,600 levels. So if market was to expire on 24th June at 15,650 levels, in that scenario, option writers would be making profits, and call and put option buyers, they would be suffering losses, as on expiry 15,650 call and put option strikes, their premium would evaporate and become zero. If we analyze the overall open interest data, you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 16,000 strike, and highest amount of puts have been written at 15,500 strike. So it gives us a broad 500 point range for the index going forward. And you will see that second highest strike in which calls have been written lies at 15,800 level, and second highest amount of puts have been written at 15,600 levels. And if you were to see what happened intraday today, the change in open interest data suggests that today highest amount of calls were written at 16,000 strike, and highest amount of puts were written at 15,600 strike. So going forward, 15,600 is likely to act as a strong support. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers as it is trading above the monthly open, which is 15,629 levels. Today, two new time frames opened, the daily as well as a weekly time frame. So today market was under control of buyers as it traded above its weekly and daily open and above monthly open of 15,629. Today we had a situation of full time frame continuity in which all the time frame participants on the monthly, on the weekly as well as the daily time frame were under control of buyers, and they were aggressive in lifting the offers. And if you were to see the overall trend for the market, you will see that market has found support around EMA at 220, and we have now closed above 5-day exponential moving average as well. So we are in an uptrend based on moving averages, and in terms of price structure, the uptrend would be confirmed if tomorrow we make a higher high and a higher low. And based on the daily price structure, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 15,746 levels, we can trade towards 15,765 levels, 15,835 levels, and potentially 15,924 levels. And below 15,616 levels, we can potentially trade towards 15,505 levels, 15,435 level, and potentially 15,346 levels. And based on the options open interest data, 15,600 strike is likely to act as a strong support going forward. So the neutral price range for tomorrow is going to be 15,746 to 15,616 on the Nifty index spot. And if price remains in between the neutral price range, in that scenario, one can refrain from making any trades on the index. Now, we would be discussing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen are all inside candles on the daily time frame. So if they break today's high-low range, we'll look for an entry in these stocks. So our first stock is Hind Petro. So above 303.4 levels, we'll look for buying opportunity in Hind Petro. And if we trade below 293 levels, in that scenario we'll look for selling opportunity in Hind Petro. Since the trend is Hind Petro is in an uptrend, The position sizing can be dynamic. That is, for long positions, one can trade relatively their normal size. So if one normally trades 100 shares, so they can trade on 100 shares, and if it uh, gives us a sell signal which would be below 293 level, in that scenario one can reduce their position size. So instead of 100 quantity, one can trade short side with only 50 shares. Next stock is Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. So it is in a downtrend based on the exponential moving averages, as price is trading below its 5 and 20-day exponential moving average, and we have formed an inside candlestick. So below 154.55 levels, we look for selling opportunity with our normal size, and if it trades above 160.1 level, we look for buying opportunity with half our normal size. Next stock is Motherson. It is again in a downtrend, as it is trading below the both 5 and 20-day exponential moving average. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 230.55 level with normal position size. However, if it trades above 240.15, we'll look for buying opportunity with half our normal size. And our last stock is Greaves Cotton. On Friday, it had formed an inside candle. Today, again, it has formed an inside candle. So the range is compressing right now, even though it basically is up 3% from Friday close. But market is basically in Greaves Cotton still contracting. So it is in an uptrend. So above 162.8, we'll look for buying opportunity with a normal size. And if it gives us a sell signal, that is, if it trade below today's low, in that scenario, below 151.55 levels, we look for shorting this stock intraday with half our normal position size. And all these stocks, they have formed an inside candle, and they are formed when there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize. Above 15,746 levels, we can trade towards 15,835 levels, and below 15,616 levels, we can potentially trade till 15,505 levels. However, based on the options open interest data, we are in a broad range of 16,000 to the upside and 15,600 to the downside. So 15,600 is likely to act as a strong support going forward, and the max pin has increased to 15,650 levels. And our stock watch list comprises of stocks that have formed an inside candlestick today, and the stocks we have discussed earlier in this video. The stocks are Greaves Cotton, Mahindra and Mahindra Finance, Madhusumi, Hind Petro. And I like to remind you that around 9:45 p.m. I would be sharing a blog post in which I would be highlighting the sectors that are relatively outperforming the market or underperforming the market. So do stay tuned for a long short biased watch list as well, which I would be posting around 9:45 p.m. And finally, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.